How to crop picture in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and then insert your picture. Then, double click on the picture and at the top you'll find picture format. In picture format, click on crop located at top right corner of your screen. Then click on crop again. Then on your picture you'll find crop tool. You can simply crop however you want. After you're done, press on enter on your keyboard. After you have pressed on enter on your keyboard, you will find your cropped image in this way. And this is how to crop picture in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.